Hi everyone, how are you today? For our readers workshop today, we are just going to be working on our sight word readers. We haven't done those for a very long time, and there are two of them that were put in your packet. So the first one is, these are both with our sight words. So let's see, I think 2 was our first one this week. I want to. And then remember, let's hope you remember, it seems like it's been forever. You're going to open up each page and you're going to put the word to in each of these boxes and then read it. Now remember, it's always a pattern, the words or the sentence. I want to, and then what is she doing? Dance, right? I want to sing. Let's see what the next one is. Page 3 says, look at what is she doing? I want to skate. To. I want to play. And what is she doing? I want to swim. I want to climb. All right, so again, to is our sight word that you're going to be writing in each of those boxes, and then you can go ahead and read that to your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your dog, your cat, anybody that will listen to you. And then you can also color the pictures just like we do in school. And then you have a second reader for the sight word do. Remember, it's to, do, they rhyme, they sound the same, they look the same even. Do not do that. Oh, look at that. The word is twice in our title of our book. Oh, look at this is what I would tell you in school too. We're not allowed to do that on the swings, are we? Do not do that. Now these words look a little tougher in this book. So I wish we were together so we could go over this together. But here's our first one, and it says, Mom, that was one of our sight words, said, that's a very popular word, but we haven't learned that yet. But so it says, Mom said, do not do that. So you'll be having do in your sentence twice. And then this one says, here's our other sight word from last week, Dad said, do not do that. Here's our next page. Mom said, do not do that. Right? Dad said, do not do that. Ooh, that looks mean, huh? She's kicking that little boy. Maybe that's her brother. Still not okay, right? Uh-oh. Mom said, do not do that. Oh, that poor little boy. Although, is that the same brother and sister or friends? Oh, nope, it looks like it's a different girl doing that. And then the last page says, Dad said, do not do that. Ooh, that could be too far up there. He could hurt himself jumping off his play structure. All right, again, so you're putting each of those words in the box, do, all the way through the book. Okay? So those are your Reader's Workshop items today. Remember to read this one as well. After you complete this one, then you do this one. And if you need a little bit of a break in between, take a break. You could always do one of them tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. So choice is yours. Just make sure you do both of them. Color them in, nice and neat handwriting. And if you have any questions, you know where you can contact me. Miss you guys. See you soon.